Hello, in this video we have an equation 4 to the power of 5x, 5 times x plus 4 to the power of 3 times x is equal to 40. So what is x? So first of all, we apply the rule a to the power of n, then to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m times n. It's equal to a to the power of n, then to the power of m. So we have 5 times x here, 3 times x here, and m times n here. So the original equation can goes to 4 to the power of x, then to the power of 5, plus 4 to the power of x, then to the power of 3 is equal to 40. So we have 4 to the power of x here, 4 to the power of x here. So we can do replacement, let 4 to the power of x is equal to t. So since 4 to the power of x is always positive, so t is positive. Then we have t to the power of 5 plus t to the power of 3 is equal to 40. So for this kind of equation, the power of this equation is up to 5. So we can use strategy guess and check to quickly find one root. So let's try 2 to the power of 5 plus 2 to the power of 3 is equal to 32 plus 8 is 40. So we got one root, t is equal to 2, worked for this equation. So the question is 2 the only solution for this equation? So we have to set up an equation to have a deeper look at this equation. Set up a function, ft is equal to t to the power of 5 plus t to the power of 3. So we know that t to the power of 5 is monotonically increase with t, and t to the power of 3 also monotonically increase with t when t is positive. So we can safely make a conclusion that ft monotonically increase with t when t is positive. So ft and t are one-to-one relationship. So there is only one root for ft is equal to 40. So that is t is equal to 2. Then remember we have 4 to the power of x is equal to t. So x is equal to 1 over 2. So this is the only solution for the original equation. Additionally, I have to bring up the graph of ft and to make sure that we're getting the correct results. So here is the graph of ft is equal to t to the power of 5 plus t to the power of 3. So you see here the straight line at the level of 40 has only one intersection with the graph of ft, and the corresponding t value is 2. So that is the only solution for ft is equal to 40. So since we already know that t is equal to 2 is one solution for this equation, we have an alternative way to determine if this is the only solution for this equation. So we have this equation, t to the power of 5 plus t to the power of 3 is equal to 40, and then we can factorize this equation. Since we know that t minus 2 is one factor, so we make up t minus 2 here. So we have t to the power of 5, then t to the power of 4 times t minus 2. So we have additionally minus 2 times t to the power of 4. So we plus 2 times t to the power of 4. Then plus t to the power of 3 minus 40 is equal to 0. Then we keep the first term, and then we make up one more t minus 2 here, and we make the term 2 times t to the power of 4. So we additionally minus 4 times t to the power of 3. So originally we have 1 t to the power of 3. So we plus 5 times t to the power of 3 minus 40 is equal to 0. Then we keep the first two terms, and then we make up one more t minus 2, and we have 5 times t to the power of 3, then we additionally minus 10 t to the power of 2. So we plus t to the power of 2 and make one more t minus 2 here, and we additionally minus 20t here. So we plus 20t, and then we make one more t minus 2 term. And we have minus 40 here originally. So we have minus 40 here, so it's equal to 0. Then we have t minus 2 here, t minus 2 here, t minus 2 here, t minus 2 here. So we can take out t minus 2, and we have this t minus 2 times t to the power of 4 plus 2t to the power of 3 plus 5t to the power of 2 plus 10t plus 20 is equal to 0. So now we have two cases. So one case is t is equal to 2, so t minus 2 is equal to 0. So this is one root. So the second case is t to the power of 4 plus 2t times t to the power of 3 plus 5t squared plus 10t plus 20 is equal to 0. So since we know that t is positive, so this term is always positive. So there is no real roots for this equation. So the second case is rejected, and t is equal to is the only one root. Then we go back to here, and we can guess the value of x. So this is an alternative method to determine if t is equal to 2. So we can factorize this equation. With that, I've end this video. Thanks for watching. I would appreciate if you subscribe to the channel for more videos. I will see you in the next video. Thanks, bye.